Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix the problem that says Twitter something went wrong, try again error. So let's just get started. So see, it will give a let's say error like this: error, oops, something went wrong, please try again. So how you can do this? So let's just get started. So firstly, just go to your Windows and then just go to your settings over here like this. Once you're in the settings, just go with the privacy and security option and then go all the way down and then to site settings. Just go down and there you'll find the, let's say, all down, so third-party cookies, and then over here what you can do is just block third-party cookies like this, and then try again to use your Twitter. Like, let me just go with twitter.com and then just sign in. We can sign in afterwards, so let me sign it with anything like this. Done. Or you can just go over here. Yeah, you can see over here that my Twitter is working fine now. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So right now I'm not using or logging to my account because I just forgot my password. So that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.